Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to do a clean install of Windows 11 26H1 or H2. To do a clean install, first you need to download a genuine bootable ISO of Windows 11 version 26H1 or 26H2. To get the ISO file, open any browser and search for the Microsoft Insider program. From the link, open the Windows Insider Preview ISO. To access the Insider Preview ISO, you need to register in the Windows Insider program. Click the ME profile icon on the top right and sign in with your Microsoft ID and password. Then click Learn More and then join the Insider program. Click Register Now and sign in again with the same ID and password. Then, accept the program agreement terms and conditions and click Register Now. Click the Start Previewing Windows Now button. Expand the text Install on your individual device. Then click the Download a Windows Insider Preview ISO hyperlink. Right now, here is the Insider Preview download page. Scroll down and select the edition. Now choose 26H1 Beta build number 28020.2539. Click Confirm and select your language. Then click the 64-bit package. Wait for the download process. It will take up to 30 or more minutes to complete. Here is the downloaded ISO file. Now you need to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. Open a browser and look for Rufus, then download the latest version from the official website. Connect a pen drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Format the USB to as file format. Then launch the Rufus software and select the drive to the connected USB pen drive. And choose the boot selection to disk or ISO image and upload the downloaded ISO file to Rufus. Leave other settings as default. Then click Start to create a bootable USB. Leave the selected settings in Windows User Experience as default. Click OK and start creating the USB drive. Wait for the process to complete. Then connect the USB to your PC. Set the first booting device to the USB drive from the motherboard settings. After completing the process, restart the system. Boot from that pen drive and follow the instructions. Here, select the language, keyboard layout, etc. For doing a clean install, enable the option, I agree, everything will be deleted, including files, apps, and settings. Here is the partition list. If you want a clean install, then select the partition one by one and delete it until you get a single unallocated drive like this. Then click Next, and now click the Install button. Installing Windows will start now. Wait for the installation process to complete. Then follow the instructions to complete the setup process and start a fresh Windows 11. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.